Title: Hail the Almighty Dollar, This is Your God. Intro: Muted static and broadcast interference. Obey. Consume. Conform. This is your God. From the lips of a mannequin in a suit, reptile in disguise. Verse 1. Yo, I woke up with shades on, not the type for stunnin', the type that let you see the truth when the billboard's hummin'. Every advert's a spell, every screen's got a grin, underneath the pixels, it's reptilians within. Rockefeller in a Bentley, reptile in the backseat, flippin' the switch on your kid's brain in maths week. Rothschild sippin' blood from a goblet of stocks, own the banks, own the schools, and the tower clocks. You're just cattle in cubicles, clappin' for crumbs, they got you wearin' chains but they weigh like none. Draconian doctrine wrapped in government ease, get a job, pay your taxes, and die on your knees. Look, shanty and minimal. Hail the almighty dollar, bow to the bling, draconian lords in disguise as kings. TV talkin' in codes, school bells ring. This is your God, tattooed on everything. Hail the almighty dollar, sip the facade, you pledge to the paper like it's your God. Verse 2. I saw a lizard blink on Bloomberg, forked tongue in stocks, run in blackmail islands and off the books ops. Freedom spelled backwards on a license plate, while a clone of a politician says, let us debate. Education's indoctrination with a chalky twist, they teach kids to forget truth and remember the list. Work 9 to 5, then 5 to death, retire with a pension while they harvest your breath. Even graffiti's got barcodes now, surveillance with style, your Wi-Fi sings lullabies that tame and beguile. Currency and T-money, it's control and design, they print fear in your brain and charge interest on time. Bridge, spoken word over haunting strings. But sleep, watch, obey, repeat. A reptilian ritual in plain sight on your street. You thought the TV was broken, but it was your mind. Verse 3, dense flow, Lee Scott style. Pocket full of nothing but receipts for the soul, pyramids on paper, fiat mines in a hole. Worship the gods of advertising and clout, while the Rothschilds claw your subconscious out. Masonic telescreens beam vibes in the night, subliminals so slick they tickle you right. You queue up for deals like Salvation's on sale, but they sellin' you chains with a dopamine trail. And the Rockefellers wrote the rules of the class, you don't learn in schools, you just learn to pass. Learn to clock in, clock out, and act fine. Like compliance is freedom and debt is divine. Look, louder now. Hail the almighty dollar, bow to the bling, draconian lords in disguise as kings. TV talkin' in codes, school bells ring. This is your God, tattooed on everything. Hail the almighty dollar, sip the facade, You pledge to the paper like it's your god. Dash dash. Verse 4, trippy flow, abstract imagery, hyperdimensional shapeshifters in parliament seats, passing laws written on scrolls in Saturnian streets. They don't walk, they glide through rituals unseen, sacrificing logic on altars of the machine. Luciferian luncheons with black cube desserts, while your paycheck gets garnished and your soul hurts. They make wage slavery look like ambition, and social media's just digital submission. TikTok spells in fast-forward hypnosis, running round likes, but the void's where your hope is. Everything's a weapon now, words, food, love, and they got the nerve to sell compassion in gloves. Dash dash. Bridge 2, broken voice sample interlude. You do not question the dollar. The dollar is your truth. Obey. Stay asleep. Submit. Dash dash. Verse 5, final verse, reflective, still sharp. They live ain't fiction, it's prophecy on tape. You sleepwalk through illusions in a silk-lined cave. The new world order and tea come in, it's here in your mirror, with a barcode smile and a voice so sincere. You were born into chains but they told you they're wings, now you post them on the gram with motivational things. But behind all the filters is a program run by the cold-blooded lizards who block out the sun.
Hey buddy, you gonna pay for that or what? Look buddy, I don't want no hassle today. Either pay for it or put it back.